Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back, boys and girls. As you know it, we're always down doing some things. Always down doing some things, trying to use time wisely. Time is something that we never can get back, so make sure you use it as best as possible. Also, like and subscribe. We're back with the CC guys. Today we're gonna be putting in a deck in Owen's Corsa. This is I think it's a 1.4 Corsa. Came out. I'm not sure if it's a 2003. I think Owen must come tell us so he can give us a breakdown or something. We can just talk about some stuff in the car. And as you can see, he got the sun.
Sunny!
Got the sunny, boys. Yeah, the girls like it too.
The sun is always nice.
It's nice. Oh look, it's.
Oh yeah, now we
you can
need
see the stars. You know, it's not the Rolls Royce, but you can see the real stars.
the real stars.
Yeah. So what we're doing today, we're gonna just be putting a deck in just to make some sound. This was just a deck Obi was blessed with. So shout out to the blessers and to the man of blessing. Always keep it positive over here. So yeah, so let's give it up. Boom.
Easy like fucking pie. Like no pie, it's pie easy.
Yeah. Okay, so you can check this a few hours in and okay guys, so now we have to establish which is positive and which is negative. We're gonna get a test light and then we can do that. Boom. So we're gonna be making a test light real quick just to make it easier because we're gonna be making sure which wires is alive or not. So yeah, you'll check it out. You'll see how it's gotten when it's put together. So you can do it at home too. Making the test light for y'all. We got sidetracked because as you can hear about the noise in the back, I'm so busy with the caddy. Yeah, so we were like lending a hand here and there, and because as you know, men gotta eat, we got the fire going. I'm sure we could see that.
See, we can see the fire. Oh, you can't see the fire here.
Yeah, so we're gonna get ready to chow soon as well, to make something to chow. But we got the test light. Got the test light.
Can we zoom into that test light?
Check it out. So what happened is, as you guys saw in the vid, we got the negative welded on the side, or what's it called? Swaced. Soldered on the side and on the top as well. So I just taped it up to make it all look nice indeed. So over here I added the negative to the key. So when I put the key in ignition, it grounds itself. Sorry for the noise again in the background. And this over here is for negative. Got that flames. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug it in and check for live. Let's heat it up. shit, so we got live, guys. I'm sure you guys want to zoom in, I can make it. So I went straight for a red. You can come a bit closer. Oh, they can see this live. So that's what we're gonna use to get the tape up. We just have to put the nice ground for it. And then we should be sorted. Once we're done with that, we're gonna check what's our speaker wires and we're gonna split it from there. But we'll break it down for you guys step by step. Again, apologies for the noise. Like, you know, we always keep it moving. Time is precious. Time is something we can't keep back. So yeah, you should use your time wisely. I'm not sure we can see him, it's getting a bit dark. But as you saw, we got power to the tape. Away, bro, what you say? You'll be circling a bitchy though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, stop today.
Give me. Give it to me.
Should we give it to him? Let me just see.
Give it to me.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, so y'all know what we're about to do. So yeah, we're just gonna check quick what's the speaker wires, and then we're gonna check if they can run that to the back and have that sorted.
Right.
So that we can give some Owie some sound, OEM sound.
Salute.
Yeah, so you guys can see Owie so busy on the Catalicious. We got the wiring for Owen's vehicle as well. You're probably seeing that it's dark outside, so we moved the cars around. Welcome Bobo also, boom, came to come visit us. There we go. There's the car. So we're gonna get the wiring sorted in there and get some cameras set up. So yeah, get that footage in. While at the same time, the welder wizard was sorting out the rest for the back of the caddy. Alweer so let's hear it up.
Hello. Hello.
Corsa.
Yo guys, so we done, eh? We got the system installed. speakers connected up to the back. We're just gonna run the 6x9 to the back for now, just to make some good sound. Mr. Chatty, you gonna push a button for us?
Oh shit!
Boom! That looks nice, huh? I think it's blue because that's Bluetooth.
Now I'm tucked down, look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like a cloak and dagger. Mad rubies on my chain, you can see your name bubbling, blood vein. Your girl's in my ear because she's sipping on my champagne. That's right, 6 figures in my back pocket. And that's right, 1 million in my safe deposit. That's right, I'm trill all day. On my way to a million, staying real all day, man. I reaching.
So basically, we're gonna just reinforce this Owen so that he can actually put these backboard nicely flat here, flush, and won't have any issues. So that's what we're gonna do now. It's gonna take about 5 minutes and we should be done. Let's go.
2 seconds later.
You wanna try me? Come to my coast. I'm an east side boy and this boy don't play. I leave mad jaws drop with nothing to say. And I'm a mad rich kid but nothing to pay. Sharp tongue cut you up like a fish fillet. I'm just a bird on a wire singing songs into a fire. You can hear my screeching tire till the moment I retire. But I'm still so young so I gotta go hard. This is I should stop after 16 bars. I'm staying up. I'm wilding out. I'm leaning in. I'm leaning in. Pushing off my sneakers to the ground. I do not jump, I move the earth down. Bear witness to the genius of my sound. Born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Holy on the mic when I spit, call me father. Spirit of the king, I take like marauder. Haters gonna hate, ain't worth $1. Don't cry to me, you're a baby, you're a toddler. Damn, that nuts in beast mode constantly keep them chicks in heat. Quite possibly the best of all time. Skill with the